So, Talitha, what are we gonna do? Are we just gonna just look out the window and be sad? And wish the birdies could come in and play with us? You'll know you cannot play with the birdies. Oh. Say something. Talitha, say something. Oh. She's speechless with loneliness. Oh, so beautiful. That sister, so resentful. Talitha, you know I love you, huh? Then find me somebody. Oh.